Hello, my name is Łukasz Kornacki. I represent S4GA brand, a manufacturer of solar, portable and wired AGL systems. Today I will talk a little bit about a solar S4GA Inset light that you can see here and describe a little bit the configuration of the entire set for the installation. So starting with the Solar Engine Mini, this is a unit that has 40-watt solar panels, and they are supplied with 60 amp-hour batteries inside and a transformer that basically sends the electricity to the control unit that actually serves two purposes. It has a radio, wireless communication and additional transformer that converts the AC to a DC power that is finally sent to the inset light. Inset light does not contain any further transformer inside, and it's directly powered by the DC from the control unit. Control unit itself can supply power up to 4 runway edge inset lights, and this entire configuration is only suitable to work with LED lights. This unit would be typically installed outside a runway shoulder. This unit goes into a pit where it replaces a conventional isolating transformer. And of course, the last piece of the set is the inset light. In case of here, we have a high intensity runway edge, white-yellow light that can be used in precision approach airports. The entire set that we see in here, regardless if it's just one inset light or a few of them configured with a solar engine, can be used on basically any type of airport, starting with the visual approach through the non-precision up to even category 1, 2 or 3. There is no limit. We are using a certified inset light and we have a full spectrum of brilliancy control. S4GA supplies inset lights of all the variety that is required for different types of applications, starting with the runway, but we of course can supply for threshold, wing bar, taxiway centerline, etc., etc. So all those products are available in multiple configurations. But how we do actually the control part, I will show you by using a handheld controller. Of course, in S4GA systems, we can also use a screen with a specific ALCMS system installed. So in fact, you can imagine that this particular set is part of an entire runway lighting system. So if I would like to show you how I'm going to do it, this is my control unit and there is an antenna. I will press a button that will make this system go live, and you can see the light is switching on. I can change the brilliancy, I can shut it down. It all is possible, and on top of control in S4GA ALCMS system, we have the ability to monitor each individual light, which is of course done wirelessly.